find equivalent capacitor. Equivalent capacitor means 3 capacitors are in series, that is it is in parallel. Parallel means Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 and V1 across capacitor 1, voltage across capacitor 2 and voltage across capacitor is equal to applied voltage. This we know, and Q is equal to CV. So we can find out traditional method, or we will find out the shortcut method. Shortcut method, what we said, CQ1 is equal to, write C1 and add all the capacitors C2 plus C3 into total charge. First let us find out total charge. What is C equivalent? C equivalent is equal to, these are in parallel, it means we can add, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6 microfarad. And charge, what is charge? Charge is equal to C into V. C equivalent into V. C equivalent is equal to 6 microfarad. Sorry, charge is C equivalent is equal to 6 microfarad into voltage. Voltage is equal to, voltage how much it is applied is 100, is equal to 600 microcoulomb. This is in volt, this will be microcoulomb. So applied charge is equal to 600 microcoulomb is the microcoulomb charge, and this will be Q1. This we can call it as a C3, C2, C1. This will be Q2 and this will be Q3. And what is Q1? Q1 charge, Q1 is equal to C1. C1 is equal to 3 microfarad into C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2 plus C3 is equal to divided by 6 microfarad into, what is the net charge, is equal to 600 microcoulomb. Net charge. This is Q net charge. So this micro cancels. This is equal to 100. This is equal to 100. 6 into 100, 300. 300. Q is equal to microcoulomb. 300 microcoulomb. C1 is equal to 1. C1 is equal to 1 microfarad. 1 microfarad into is equal to 100 microcoulomb. So Q1 is equal, sorry, we are making the difference. This is C1, Q1 is equal to 3 microfarad and is equal to 300. So this is Q1. Q1 is equal to 300 microcoulomb. Or we can say Q1, Q2 is equal to C2 divided by C1 plus C2 plus C3 into total charge. What is C2? C2 is equal to 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad divided by 6 microfarad into applied voltage is equal to what is the applied voltage? 100 volt. This is applied voltage 100 volt into 100 volt. So Q2 is equal to 100, 366. So this is 600. C1 plus C2 is equal to 100 microfarad and net charge is equal to 6 microcoulomb. So this becomes 100, this micro get cancels. So Q2 is equal to 100 microcoulomb. Q2 is equal to, here Q2 is equal to 100 microcoulomb. What about Q3? Q3 is equal to C3 divided by C1 plus C2 plus C3 into net charge. So net charge C3, what is C3? C3 is equal to 1 microfarad divided by C1 plus 6 microfarad into Q is equal to 600 microcoulomb. Sorry, this is equal to, how much is Q is equal to 600. This get cancelled, this get cancelled, is equal to 100 microcoulomb is Q3. So therefore Q1 is equal to 300 microcoulomb, and Q2 is equal to 200 microcoulomb. So we can find out our traditional method, because this is voltage is 100 is say applied here also, here also, here also, and what is here? We can find out what is Q1. Q1 is equal to C1 into V. C1 is equal to 3 microfarad into volt is 100 is equal to 300 microcoulomb. Same thing is we have calculated 300, and Q2 is equal to C2 into V, because potential is constant. The applied voltage is constant across all the bins. C2 into V. C2 is equal to 2 microfarad into 100 is equal to 200 volt. 200 volt Q2. Same way Q3 also we can find out. Q3 is equal to C3 is equal to 1 microfarad. 1 microfarad into 100 is equal to 100 volt. So we can find out this method also. We can use this method also. Find equivalent capacitor and charge on and potential on each capacitor. See, this is a series circuit. So the applied voltage will be V1 will be here, and V2 will be here. This is the applied voltage, where V1 is equal to applied voltage minus V2, and V2 is equal to applied voltage minus V1, and charge will be same here. Since it is a series circuit, same charge will flow here in both the sides. So C equivalent, what is C equivalent? C equivalent, since it is C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2 that is 2 microfarad into 3 microfarad divided by 2 plus 3 microfarad. So this and this get cancelled. This will become 6 by 5 is equal to 1.15, it comes out to be 1.2 microfarad. So C equivalent. So this is a C equivalent. Voltage, this is a V. Voltage is equal to this much. And what is the voltage applied? This is equal to 100 volt. Voltage is equal to 100 volt. This is means 100, and this is equal to 1.2 microfarad. This is the charge flowing. This is the entire potential applied here. Now we have to find out. We have the formula. What is V2? V1. See, V1 already we find out. C2 by C1 plus C2 into applied voltage. If you want to find out V1, take this one and add this to multiplied by the applied voltage. So C2, what is C2? C2 is equal to 3, this 3 microfarad plus 2 plus 3 microfarad. 3 plus 2 microfarad into applied voltage. So it's equal to 3 divided by 5 into 100. So C2 is equal to 3 by 100. This is equal to 20 is equal to 60 volt. So V1 is equal to 60 volt. V1 is equal to 60 volt. What about the charge? Charge, Q is, since we know Q is equal to C equivalent, Q is equal to C equivalent into V. C equivalent is equal to 6 by 5 into applied voltage is equal to 6. So this is 1000, 6 by 5 microfarad. It is in microfarad, 6 by 5 microfarad into, and so this is the total charge is equal to 20 into 6, 20 into 120 microcoulomb. Since micro is coming in, this is charge up. Charge is equal to 120 microcoulomb, and V1 is equal to 60 volt. Obviously, V2 is equal to 100 minus 60 volt is equal to 40 volt. or we can say V2 is equal to C1 by C1 plus C2 into V. So C1 is equal to 2 divided by 5 into 100 is equal to 40 volt. 40 volt. This is equal to 20. This we can easily find out since Q is equal to CV or V is equal to Q by C. That is charge is same Q by C1 if you want to find out V1. So Q1, what is Q1? Q1 is equal to Q is the same constant for both. Q is equal to 120 microcoulomb by C. C how much? C is equal to C, that is C1. C1 is equal to 2 is equal to 60. This is 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad, which is equal to 60 volt. V1 is equal to 60 volt, and V2 is equal to 40 volt. We can find out 40. So V2 we can find out from this way also. V2 is equal to V, that is 100 minus 60, 40 volt. Let us find out our traditional method. V2 is equal to Q by C2 is equal to 120 microfarad divided by 3 is equal to 40. This is micro. See, Q is equal to microcoulomb divided microfarad, micro cancel 40 volt. So V2. So we can find out V1 is equal to 60 volt and V2 is equal to 40 volt. Both are forming V is equal to 100 volt. It means this 100 volt is divided here as 40 volt and 60 volt. Since series circuit, what is series circuit? V is equal to V1 plus V2. So we can calculate, this will be shortcut method. And we can use this method also, a little bit lengthier. So whatever method you feel, you can use it.